Oh God, it hurt the moment that I saw you with someone else, the one that you belong to. I never thought I'd drown in my shallow heart. I'd like to say the things I never used to, but come today, they won't ever be useful. I never learned to use my shallow heart. I never meant to hurt you. It's just something I do. I guess it's not a good excuse. And she will always hate me, no matter what I say. And there is no mistaking, the love is gone. And she will always hate me. She said you lost me, baby. No matter what I say, the love is gone. Looking back, I guess I'm holding on to the good we had, but I know that it's wrong too. 'Cause in the end, she's never gonna hold my heart. And now she knows she doesn't wanna know me. I'm not supposed to be the one who's lonely. I never thought that she could have a cold, cold heart. I never meant to hurt you. It's just something I do. I guess it's not a good excuse. And she will always hate me, no matter what I say. And there is no mistaking, the love is gone. And she will always hate me. She said you lost me, baby. No matter what I say, the love is gone. I never meant to hurt you. It's just something I do. I guess it's not a good excuse.